Hi my wonderful friends, it's been a minute, but I wanted to bring you another DIY today. I'm going to show you how to make your own tiered cake stand, or you can use it as an organizational stand for anything really that you want to display in a pretty way. You can put cupcakes on there, you can put nail polish on there, you can put whatever you want, and this is going to save you a whole bunch of money, guys. Like seriously, I looked this up and they are like literally like $80, $120, and so I almost got suckered. But nah, don't be a sucker. I'm here to teach you how to save that point and still have the exact same item that Nordstrom is trying to sell you, that Pottery Barn is trying to sell you, and you can make it yourself for under $5. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, as you can see here, I already made one of the tiered trays. Do you see? I just chose some pretty plates that I had lying around where I don't have a full set anymore, and that's what I used to create my tiered stand. And you can use this to put cupcakes or hors d'oeuvres if you're having a party, or as you can see with this, I'm putting some toiletries so I can have some organization in my bathroom. I just put some nail polishes here, and you can put nail polish all around and have your own little spa like feel in your bathroom or in your closet. You can put jewelry on here, so you could throw your rings on there, your any knickknacks that you have lying around that you want to look organized and you want to look pretty. This would be a good way to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll just put this out of the way. So guys, literally you could do this from everything from the dollar store. What I have here is just some glue, some E6000. This is just all-purpose glue, like Trinapon, like Gorilla Glue would work perfectly. I just had some lying around because I do a lot of crafts. And then what I did, guys, is I just got this 3 plates because I wanted the tiered look. So I just got these 3 plates. I got mine from the thrift store instead of the dollar store, but if it creeps you out to buy things at the thrift store, you can certainly get plates at the dollar store. They always have, pretty plates also. So I just like the pattern on this. Look at that. And that's 99 cents for this one. And then the next size was 39 cents. And then this size was also 39 cents. So it makes a coordinated little set. And then I just also got this 2 little candle stands. These are regular candle stands, guys. You can get these at the dollar store. Mine were 99 cents. Okay, so like literally anybody can do this. Anybody. So basically all you have to do is take your glue, your E6000, and just spread it. And this dries clear, guys, so it doesn't really matter if you go over a little bit. You can always like trim it with a razor or something. And I don't measure anything out. I just kind of eyeball it. And so this is right about the center, and you can still move it around. And then You will just spread glue on top of the upside down candle stand. And stick that. Just like so. And just make sure that this doesn't, move too much from the center, because by the time it dries, you want it to kind of be in the middle. And this glue is really good. You won't be able to move it, so don't put too much glue. And you just stick it on there. And so guys, just try not to put a lot of glue like I did at the beginning there. I let too much glue out, but it dries pretty quick. And here you go, there you have it. You have your little tiered stand, and you can put cupcakes on here. You can put like little sausage rolls. If you're having a party, you can put little fruit tarts on here, and it would make really a nice inviting tablescape for parties or for anything else that you would think of putting in here. So that's it guys, that's my DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Give me other ideas of what you guys would do if you were making these. You could use like galvanized iron, you could use trays, you could use pretty much anything that you can find at the dollar store guys, and this would look really nice on any table. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.